Thanks for joining as we continue down the path of application management in Intune. Again, I'm Joe Lurie. In this session, which focuses on deploying Microsoft 365 apps or Office apps using Intune, I'm going to talk to you about using Intune to deploy the Office apps to enhance Zero Trust. Deploying Microsoft 365 apps with Intune ensures secure, policy-driven access to productivity tools, reinforcing Zero Trust by verifying users, devices, and app integrity. Let's talk about the benefits of using Intune to deploy your Office apps. Microsoft 365 apps are essential for end user productivity. You already know that, but so do attackers. When I talk to my customers and when we talk to our customers about why they should use Intune to deploy the Office apps to manage devices, it's because Intune ensures that users have access to these essential tools while IT maintains organizational control, like automatic updates and versioning, and a consistent set of applications and app configurations, which has the added benefit of reducing compatibility issues for your end users. Another aspect of Zero Trust most of you are probably familiar with is app protection policies, or MAM. What you may not know is that we introduced MAM policies for when your users are using the Office apps on a Windows device using Microsoft Edge. Intune's app protection policies for Windows, or Windows MAM, secures org data on personal devices, preventing data leakage from Microsoft 365 apps on your users' unmanaged devices. And speaking of data leakage, Intune will also enforce conditional access, ensuring that only trusted, compliant devices can access the Office applications. Those spreadsheets, presentations, documents that are created, saved, and opened and written to every day. When we think about Windows MAM and application protection, conditional access policies, this is true regardless of how Microsoft 365 apps are installed. But having the customized Office installation, the MAM policies, the conditional access policies, all in one console, just makes your lives easier. If I had one call to action today, I'd ask each of you, however you're deploying Office today, migrate your legacy Office installs to Intune for better control of the installations and updates, and start thinking about Windows MAM and conditional access for better alignment to Zero Trust.